les gars, on y est presque.
They said you're up, we need a hit, so I'll give you another. Finna dominate the summer, said it clear, I ain't stutter. Yeah, I'm so versatile, I got more style than others. Give me 2 years tops, I have M's in my numbers. Don't got a Benz or a Hummer, but shit, I'm getting there. My vision used to be blurry, but now it's getting clear. They finna know my fucking name in every hemisphere. Rappers fake identities, I'll check them like I'm selling beer. And I'ma talk my shit till I'm dead in the grave. Like VR, I always got my head in the game. Bitch, I never miss, I just go right there with the aim. You know that money talks, you can't comprehend what it's saying. I used to close my eyes and pray for this moment. My music's like a porn star, dog, you know that it's blowing. And when my back's against the wall, man, I keep on going. You know my flow forever cold, it's gonna keep on snowing for real. They always used to laugh when I was knocked down. Now I don't hear them laugh cause I'm hot now. Fuck a hater, I'ma always trust the process. You don't need to ask around, we all know I got next. Lil' homie, I'm a monster.
Ah oui. Bon les gars, résultat de la bavette. Arracher la plaque. Voilà. Oh, putain. Ça tourne mal.